Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Nokia 6310 feature phone. This particular phone comes with a retro design. This is a feature phone. This is reminiscent of the earlier Nokia phones like the 3210 and the 3200. There's a transparent box, so you can see what this phone looks like. I will obviously take it out. But let's quickly take a look at what other features we can see over here. This particular phone comes with a 2.8-inch QVGA display. It is easy to use, zoomed menus with big icons and fonts. It comes with the Snake game preloaded and also has wireless and wired FM. There is a VGA rear camera, internet browser, microSD card support up to 32 GBs, and there is also a torch. Now let's open it and see what's inside. So this is it. This is what we find inside the box. We have a user manual. This is the quick guide for the Nokia 6310, which you should read when you want, which you should read in order to set this up and to know all the different features of this phone. This is the power adapter that it comes with. This has a micro USB port on one side, micro USB jack on one side. This is the battery, the rechargeable, removable battery that it comes with. A lot of feature phones had rechargeable, removable batteries. This is the BL4WL 1150 mAh rechargeable lithium-ion battery. This is to be specifically used with Nokia chargers. And this is the phone in question. This is the Nokia 6310. Let me just remove this plastic cover and show it to you. So there you go. This is what the phone looks like. It comes with this dark green color. The screen is 2.8-inch QVGA. Notice it is more than half the size of the phone. And over here you have a Numpad. This is not a QWERTY keyboard like you find on today's smartphone. This is an older design, a retro designed phone. So all those phones had Numpads in them. And not just that, there is a main prompt. There's a main input button at the center with directional buttons at the side. And this is a call receive and call cancel button. The call cancel button is the most important one. Let's see what other things we have. There is a micro USB charging port and a 3.5mm port over here. This is the VGA camera that this particular phone comes with, along with the torch. And at the back we have a couple of things. There is space for dual SIM, so this is a dual SIM feature phone. And over here is where you put your SD card in. I'm going to insert this battery and show you the display. So inserting the battery is pretty simple. Just make sure that these three metallic plates are connected to these metallic nodes over here. So just insert, close the flap, and start the phone by long pressing the call cancel button. Okay, there you go. Now we have display. So clearly this particular phone is out of charge right now. So there you go. We have display as well. And there you can hear the tune. And the first page will be the language. So the first page is where you'll be selecting the language, like I said. In another video, I will show you how to set this particular phone up. But this is what you find inside the box containing the Nokia 6310 dual SIM feature phone. Thank you for watching.